my loves, I'm Raveena Singh and welcome back to another video. As you all know, Christmas is around the corner, and even though my family doesn't celebrate Christmas in a traditional sense, you know by now that I like to take advantage of any holiday or occasion to decorate my home. I really enjoy bringing a wee bit of Christmas cheer into our home. So today I'm in my living room doing a pre-Christmas cleanup before I start decorating, and I thought it would be great to share that with you. I have asked my mini adults to help me remove all the decor that I won't be using for the holiday season. They have put all those pieces away, so I have mostly empty surfaces to clean. I'm just using a multi-surface cleaner and a microfiber cloth. If you're doing a holiday cleanup, you will definitely want to do a thorough cleaning because for the next few weeks, you won't want to move the decor to do any dusting. So now I'm just wiping down all the surfaces. Next, I'm going to vacuum the carpet, which has collected a bunch of debris and glitter from my autumn decorations before this. And now I'm going to go ahead and mop the tiled flooring. I recently received this electric mop from How, and I couldn't wait to share it with you all. It is probably the first time in my life I'm enjoying mopping because there is absolutely no effort required. It literally just glides along the floor, picking up all the crumbs and debris along its way. This mop comes in two pieces. The first thing is to charge the electric mop until the light turns green. The base has an outlet and an inlet. You basically attach the inlet to a water supply and the outlet lies loose. Pour your favorite solution into this little area and let the mop sit so it's properly wet. And that's it. Put the mop on the floor and let it do its job. And as a Christmas gift to you all, How has a special offer from the 12th to the 18th of December, giving you almost 40% off. The usual price is $238, but you can now get it at $135. You can use the link in the description box below for this special discount. Now for the really fun part where we start to decorate. I've taken all my Christmas decorations down, and I'm going to start with this antique console table. I'm using a combination of rose gold and copper for this vignette. I'm using a rose gold and crystal candle stand to hold a bushel, a gold and glass tray with a festive sprig. My first ever reindeer is here. And since everything is vertical, I'm adding a bowl filled with rose gold baubles to break the monotony. For the coffee table, I already have this tray on the lower shelf, and I'm just adding a wreath to it. On the top, I'm using a white and gold runner, and I plan to do 2 mirrored vignettes, one on each end. I'm starting with these, but to make the color pop, I'm adding these rosemary sprigs. And then these gold and green trees and my glass reindeer. In the center, I'm placing this gold tray, which is from my room, and adding a few baubles to it. Next, I'm going to spruce up the cushions. I have not bought any typical Christmas cushions, but instead I'm just using the cushions that match my runners at both ends of the room. So I'm trying to tie in all the sofas here as well as this reclining armchair. On the side table, I'm going for a woodsy brown look. These are my fleur-de-lis jars, which I absolutely love. I am putting some battery-operated lights interspersed with baubles. This gives it a cozy glow. I'm also adding lots of my leftover greenery to liven it up. I'm also adding these wooden Dollar Tree pieces to this vignette. As you can probably tell, I enjoy having different themes and color palettes for each of my Christmas vignettes. And below that, in the shelf, I'm just adding a bowl of baubles placed on a snowflake doily. And now I'm going to go across the room to decorate my TV bench. I'm adding a bright runner to this side and this Nordic geometric tray. I'm adding the cable TV box into the tray, as well as adding a pedestal bowl and another reindeer. Here I am tucking in some twigs and branches, and again in the bowl, just some more baubles. Just to camouflage the TV box, I'm going to add a bottle brush tree on top, and another gold tree here. On the other end of the TV bench, I'm putting up our small Christmas tree. Paul and Bea were working on it because originally it was supposed to be on the staircase landing. But I put it here and I'm going to work on completing it. We actually ordered a 7-foot tree online, but unfortunately the quality was poor and it fell apart as we were assembling it. We tried to salvage it, but it just couldn't be saved. So anyway, here we are adding more gold beads, some more ornaments and ribbons to complete the look. I'm also adding a skirt and some finishing touches. I've got a great tip for you as well. If you want to buy a beautiful ornament for your tree without breaking the bank, a lot of stores sell last year's leftover Christmas ornaments for a fraction of the price. I scored a lot of beautiful pieces at my local departmental store at 70 to 80% off. Now beside the TV bench, there's an antique beverage cart, which I'm quite excited to use this year to serve drinks for our Christmas party. I'm saving my crystal pieces for the cart, so let me know if you're interested to see how I set it all up, and I'll try to do that for you in a separate video. And another tip I want to share with you is that you can use your TV to add a festive Christmas ambiance to your room. You can search under Christmas scenes on YouTube and play those on your TV to add a crackling fireplace or create a snowfall through the window scene. You can do this directly if you have a smart TV, or you can hook up your laptop using an HDMI cable. This will definitely complete the cozy Christmas feel for you and your friends, no matter which part of the world you are in. Lastly, since I have quite a few of the tinsel garlands and ribbon that I actually bought for the bigger tree, I'm just going to use them on my railings to add to the festive look. I'm winding the tinsel around the railings and adding some ribbon, a bow, and a couple of ornaments to complete the look. I'm adding this white knit throw blanket I had and a couple of cushions here as well. So, my loves, that's all for my Christmas decor this year. I believe that we should enjoy all different holidays whether or not it is a part of our tradition. Well, as the world is becoming smaller and unlike 10 years ago, today we have access to online shopping. Let's unite and celebrate each other's festivities and create unity and world peace in any small way possible. I will be sharing with you a couple more Christmas videos this month, and if there's anything in particular you would like to see, do let me know in the comments below. Until the next video, this is Raveena saying Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.